How to fix Shopify navigation not showing is a common issue many store owners face. To fix this issue, start by checking your theme's settings. Navigate to the online store section in your Shopify admin panel and click on the Customize button. Next to your current theme, in the theme editor, click on the navigation section and make sure that the navigation is enabled. If the navigation is disabled, click the Enable button to turn it on. If you are using a third-party theme, the navigation settings may be located in a different section, so be sure to check your theme documentation for specific instructions. Next, check your menu items to ensure they are properly set up. Go to the navigation section in your Shopify admin panel and click on the main menu. Make sure that all the pages and links you want to appear in your navigation are included in the menu. If a page or link is missing, click the Add Menu Item button to add it. Another common cause of the navigation not showing is a conflicting app or code snippet. Try disabling any recently installed apps or code snippets to see if they are causing the issue. You can disable apps by going to the Apps section in your Shopify admin panel and clicking the Disable button next to the app you want to disable. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, try reaching out to Shopify support or your theme developer for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and provide a solution. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Shopify navigation not showing issue and get your store back up and running smoothly.